Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK, Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on all the important currency pairs. I'm doing this video from the comfort of my home, so I apologize for not having a professional setup. So today's analysis is for 26/5/2021 only. Okay, this analysis is for Friday only. Monday I'll be coming down again with Monday's analysis, but this analysis is for today. So let's jump into the screen without wasting any time. Okay, so we can see that market is making higher highs. That's a good sign. Okay, high, higher high, and a higher high. Okay. And market is somewhat respecting the 100-period moving average, and yes, market has okay, market came down and took support at the 100-period moving average. Hmm. And market is going up now. Okay, so market should break this high and make a new high. So if you are a risk taker and if you've got a risk appetite, then I'll say that yes, you can go ahead and uh, execute the buy order. Okay, keep your stop loss somewhere around here. Target first target will be your 9090. Okay, but if I look at these candles, okay, if you look at these candles, uh, just look at these candles. Okay, they are not that convincing. Okay, it's red green red green red green. Whenever you will see this kind of candle, this it signifies the indication in the market. Okay, still market is an uptrend. As I told you, if you want to take risk, then you can place a buy order here. Okay, keep your stop loss here, and this will be your take profit target. Okay, but if you want to take a safe trade, okay, if you want to go for the safe trade, safe option, then switch to a higher time frame. Okay, because if you ask me, okay, I'll not go for this trade. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait for the price to come down and hit this level. Okay, these are the levels I would like to wait for. The first level will be I'll be only going for buy order above this level 9100. Okay, I'll be going for buy order around this price where market will successfully break this level. Okay, wait, where market will successfully cross this level of 9094. Okay, or market will bounce from here, from the 100-period moving average. As the market is in uptrend, the best position will be either above this line, okay, 9100, or when market bounces from the 100-period moving average. Okay, these are the good buy points for me at least. But as I told you, if you want to take a risk and if you've got a risk appetite, then also you can go ahead and place the buy order. Keeping your stop loss here and take profit target here. But your safe option will be switch to the 4 hours time frame, wait for the market to take proper support from the 100-period moving average, and or cross this resistance. When this resistance will become the support for market, that will be the ideal position to go for buy order. Okay, so that's it with the analysis for Friday from my point of view. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, you can subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis, and please give a thumbs up. Okay, please give a like and for encouragement, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, it's a new channel. Your subscription or your what to say, it helps, it encourages me. Okay, thank you so much. and I'll be coming down again Monday with Monday's analysis. Okay. Thank you so much and good luck. If you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.